Hello, refiners! It's time for Color Your Calm workshop. Life moves fast, and this is your invitation to pause. Welcome to Color Your Calm. It's going to be a unique, luxurious mental wellness workshop designed to help you slow down, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. What is Color Your Calm, you ask? Well, it's more than a workshop. It's an experience. Color Your Calm will blend guided coloring, reflective exercise, calming music, and intentional conversation, all in a beautiful environment created to help your mind reset and explore new perspectives. There's going to be so many benefits. This experience will offer a true mental health pause, your time to reflect, learn, and you will leave feeling refreshed. You will gain practical tools, new insights, and moments of clarity where you can carry on long after this workshop ends. It's a connection! So we're going to be doing community and connections with connections that will feel natural. Color Your Calm is all about connections, and you're going to spend time with community-minded individuals sharing practical tips, real-life experiences, and learning from one another in a relaxed, supportive setting. There's going to be time. You can pick up the mic, you can listen, you can do so many things, but we're going to share practical, strategic steps to next and to better. We also have lots of really good fun. There's going to be an interactive auction. It's going to be one of the most exciting parts of our time. You're going to receive organization dollars because it's your mover and shaker, and we have 3 great organizations under the Empower Innovate movement. You're going to be able to bid on products and services from the Tammy Services Corporation, Hills and Valleys Nonprofit Organization, and Flame Delights. There's going to be dollars that will be spent. It's going to be all a part of the experience, and it's just about fun and connection, and you'll go home with some goodies. We've got prices, as you know. Everything costs money, so this is a paid workshop, and we have multiple pricing tiers. We're going to offer the different pricing tiers to support the empowerment of individuals and communities. So you have the opportunity to just buy a ticket for yourself, connect with one of your friends and do your dual tickets. You could be a VIP. There's going to be some fun things for the VIPs. Or you could buy a ticket where part of that donation is going to go to Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization. And it's all about making it possible to experience mental wellness in a luxurious, unique, and meaningful way. Don't delay, guys. Sharing is caring, so share the information with people. Please, 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 I need you. So this is your time. Register today. If you're ready to slow down, reconnect, and experience mental wellness differently, I invite you to come on in. Register today. Give yourself the time. Give yourself the permission to color your calm. I can't wait to welcome you. See you soon. I'm looking forward to connecting with so many new people. So share, and share the message broadly. Bye.